The Edwards Turtle Creme Pie is a triumph of convenience and flavor, earning its place as a favorite for anyone seeking a decadent dessert without the effort. It consistently wins over customers with its luxurious and perfectly balanced flavor profile. The pie features a rich chocolate cookie crust that provides a satisfying base for the smooth, creamy caramel filling. This delicious core is beautifully complemented by a generous topping of whipped cream rosettes, a decadent chocolate drizzle, and crunchy pecans. The combination is a textural and flavorful delight, offering a perfect blend of sweet, creamy, and nutty notes in every single bite. One of the greatest strengths of the Edwards Turtle Creme Pie is its thaw and serve nature. The simplicity of taking it out of the freezer and placing it in the refrigerator for a short period of time is a game changer. The pie requires no baking and minimal preparation. According to the company's instructions, to thaw an entire pie, you simply remove it from the carton and place it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. If you're just looking to enjoy a single slice, you can cut it while frozen with a warm, wet knife and let the slice thaw in the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes. While it's difficult to pinpoint the exact date the Edwards Turtle Creme Pie first hit the market, the brand has a long history of making frozen desserts since its founding in 1950. This pie has been a beloved staple for a number of years, with mentions and reviews of the product appearing in online discussions and blogs dating back at least a decade. It's part of a line of frozen cream pies that solidified Edwards' reputation for providing high-quality, convenient, and truly delicious desserts that taste like they were made from scratch.